Yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this new video without any further delay. So basically, this video is going to routine of 16th September 2025, and today is Tuesday. So basically, in this video, I'm gonna share you like what's actually happened in my today's routine video. So yes, so let's start routine video, right? So basically, today first of all I woke up. Then after that I washed my mouth. I washed my face. Then after that I ate food. Then at around 4 p.m. I went to the computer class. Then after that I came home, right? So basically what's actually happened, TV mechanic came, and basically he set up the TV, and I paid rupee 1000, right? So yes guys, so basically I was telling to you there was something Wi-Fi issue was happening on TV. Sometimes what actually happened that TV starts working perfectly, and sometimes what's actually happened, TV's Wi-Fi gone. There is not option, no any option coming to connect the Wi-Fi in to the TV, right? So basically TV mechanic came repaired, right? So uh, my father called me to come somewhere. Then I came with I went there as per his place. Then after some time later I came with him at home, right? Then basically what's actually happened, after some time later I went to purchase worship items, right? Because 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 tomorrow is a Viskarma Puja, right? So basically, my father told me to get all the items, whatever I told you, and some items what I thought that it is useful. So I brought all the items, right? So I came home after bringing all the such items, right? Then after that, I ate food. Then after that, I went to the Tuesday market with a sister. Then after that, I came home. Then again, I went to the Tuesday market. Then after some time later, I came home. Then after some time later, I went for the sleep. So basically, guys, this is the thing what's actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So this is all guys what's actually happened in my today's routine video, right? So that's all. Now I'm gonna revise some words, right? The words is the words is of professions and occupations, right? So let's start. Auctioneer. Auctioneer, you know the word auction means nilami. So guys, whatever I am speaking, I will speak in Hindi. That's only a translation version in Hindi, right? So most of the words is from book, which is I am not gonna speak by my own words, right? So auctioneer, nilami karne wala. Auction is nilami, but I tell you to my um, own words, because maybe I think so it is a nilami, right? Agriculturist, krisak, kisan. Astrologer, jyotisi. Okay. Advocate, वकील. Okay. Author, लेखक. Agent, मुनीम. Actress, नायिका. Bake, पकाना. Barber, नाई. बुक सेलर, पुस्तक विक्रेता. ब्रेजियर, ब्रेसियर, ठठेरा. ब्रोकरेज, दलाली. बेकर, बिस्कुट, डबल रोटी, नान खटाई आदि बनाने वाला. ब्लैक स्मिथ, लोहार. बेकरी, बिस्कुट या डबल रोटी बनाने का कारखाना. बुक बाइंडर, जिल्द साज. बैगर, भिखारी. बैंकर, साहूकार. ब्रोकर, दलाल. बीटल सेलर, बीटल सेलर, पनवाड़ी. शॉफर, कार चलाने वाला. शॉफर, कार चलाने वाला. कैरियर, कैरियर, माल ढोने वाला. कोचमैन, गाड़ी वान, कोचवान. केमिस्ट अंग्रेजी दवाइयाँ बेचने वाला। कुक रसोइया। कारपेंटर बढ़ई। कांस्टेबल सिपाही। क्लर्क लिपिक। कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ठेकेदार। कारपेंटर बढ़ई। कॉबलर मोची। कंपाउंडर औषधि बनाने वाला। ओके। कुली सामान उठाने वाला। क्लॉथ मर्चेंट कपड़े बेचने वाला। ड्रैपर बजाज। डार्नर रफूगर। डायर रंगसाज ललारी। ड्राइवर चालक। डॉक्टर चिकित्सक। डेंटिस्ट दांतों का डॉक्टर। ड्रामेटिस्ट नाटककार। ड्राफ्ट्समैन नक्सानवीस। डांसर नाचने वाला। एग्जामिनर परीक्षक। इंजीनियर अभियंता। एडिटर संपादक। ग्रूम सहीस। ग्रॉसर पंसारी। गेटकीपर द्वारपाल। फिशरमैन मछुआ। फार्मर किसान। ग्रीन ग्रोसर सब्जी बेचने वाला। गार्डनर माली। गोल्डस्मिथ सुनार। इंकमैन रोशनाई वाला। हॉकर फेरी वाला। जगलर मदारी। ज्वेलर जौहरी। लैंडलॉर्ड जमींदार। लॉयर वकील। मिल्कमेड ग्वालिन अहिरीन। मिडवाइफ दाई ढाई। मैनेजर प्रबंधकर्ता। मैसॉन राजगीर। इट्स ऑल्सो मे बी आई थिंक सो मिस्त्री राइट. Musician, basically Mistri is a Hindi word, right? Let me tell you first of all, right? Basically I'm just translating, that's why I spoke in Hindi, right? I speak in Hindi. Musician संगीतकार. Miner खान खोदने वाला. Magician जादूगर. Merchant सौदागर. Messenger दूत संदेश वाहक. नर्स सेविका. Oilman तेली. पोर्टर कुली. पियोन चपरासी. प्रिएस्ट पुरोहित. पेंटर रंगसाज. पॉटर कुम्हार. प्लेडर वकील. प्रोज राइटर गद्य लेखक. पब्लिशर प्रकाशक. प्रोप्राइटर मालिक. पोस्टमैन डाकिया पत्रवाहक. फोटोग्राफर फोटो खींचने वाला. परफ्यूमर इतर बेचने वाला. गंधी. पोएट कवि. पैडलर फेरी वाला. पायलट वायुयान चालक. फिजिशियन हकीम वैद्य. रिटेलर खुदरा व्यापारी. शूमेकर मोची. स्कल्प्टर पत्थर काटने वाला. स्टैम्प वेंडर स्टाम्प बेचने वाला. शॉपकीपर दुकानदार. स्वीपर भंगी. सीड्समैन बीज विक्रेता. शेफर्ड गड़रिया. सैनिटरी इंस्पेक्टर सफाई निरीक्षक. टेलर दर्जी. टिनमैन कलई करने वाला. टीचर अध्यापक शिक्षक. ट्यूटर घर पर पढ़ाने वाला. टीटीई रेल के टिकट देखने वाला. ट्रेजरर खंजाची. टैनर धर्मशोधक. टेनेंट किराएदार. ट्रेडर व्यापारी. टर्नर खरीदने वाला. वॉशरमैन धोबी. राइटर लेखक. मुहर्रेर. So yes guys, I think for today it is all enough for today. For the upcoming videos I would like to talk or more topics, right guys? So this is all guys what's actually happened. So I think it is all enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.